prudent, so before every trip I carefully choose a hotel. First, I study a huge number of reviews, analyze the pros and cons, and only then I go in person to make my own opinion, combining personal experience and information from reviews. I will tell you about Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Neverland Hotel, which is located in Hurghada, Egypt. I think my review will help you make the right choice. Let's start with general information about the hotel. The 4-star Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Neverland Hotel combines luxurious amenities, exciting entertainment, and offers an unforgettable vacation for guests of all ages. The hotel's design is inspired by the story of Peter Pan, with elements of the fantasy forest and the magical world of Neverland. This unique design creates a magical atmosphere and immerses guests in a world of adventure and fun. One of the main attractions of the hotel is definitely the huge water park with a variety of water slides, pools, and play areas. Guests can enjoy endless fun and a variety of water activities. The hotel offers various entertainment and activities for guests, including evening shows, theme nights, games, and activities for both children and adults. Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Resort has several restaurants and bars where guests can enjoy a variety of food and drinks. The excellent service and cozy atmosphere make every meal enjoyable and memorable. The hotel is ideal for family vacations, offering a wide range of facilities and entertainment for children and adults. Kids Club, playgrounds, and animation programs will make rest fun and unforgettable for all members of the family. By the way, if we talk about the rating of the hotel, it is quite high. To find out the cost of accommodation and book a room in this hotel, you can follow the links in the description and in the attached comment under this video. Friends, stay tuned and I will tell you about all the pros and cons of this hotel right now. But before I start, I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with a like. Thank you! Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Resort has a beach, but unfortunately it's not on the first line. Personally, this is a big minus for me. I like having the beach right next to the hotel. Friends, is it important for you that the beach is on the first line or not? Write in the comments. You can get to the beach on special buses that regularly take tourists to the sea. The road takes about 5 minutes. The beach is well equipped. There are a lot of deck chairs and umbrellas. The beach is very clean and well groomed. However, if you choose a hotel solely for the sake of the sea, I think you will not really like it here, because you will have to go to the sea. And I cannot say that the sea here is very beautiful. There are practically no coral reefs, but the hotel has a lot of pools and everything necessary for rest and relaxation. More about it right now. The territory of the hotel is simply magnificent. If you are traveling with children, it is a real paradise for them. And this is not an exaggeration at all. The territory of the hotel is large and spacious, with many pools, including heated, many slides and attractions, huge water park for adults and children. The whole territory of the hotel is a magical world of fairy tale forest. There are 32 swimming pools in total. In addition to the water park, there are several pools for adults and children on the territory of the hotel. They are equipped with sun loungers, sunbathing areas, and a bar for guests to enjoy the sun and water activities. There are plenty of on-site recreational facilities, including tennis courts, a fitness center, playgrounds for children, and venues for events and evening shows. Overall, the Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Neverland Hotel grounds are a unique blend of water, entertainment, greenery, and comfortable amenities, creating an unforgettable atmosphere for relaxation and leisure. The culinary experience at Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Neverland Hotel is of a very high standard. The hotel has several cafes and restaurants to satisfy every taste. Guests can enjoy Mediterranean, German, Mexican, and Oriental cuisine among other options. There are also several poolside bars on site that serve light snacks and drinks throughout the day. The only thing guests don't like is the alcoholic drinks. The quality of local drinks leaves a lot to be desired, and imported alcohol is almost non-existent. The buffet is very tasty and varied. You will always be able to find something delicious for yourself. There are also many à la carte restaurants on the territory of the hotel, and since there are many of them, you do not have to make a reservation immediately upon arrival. This won't be a problem like some other hotels. In the evening, guests enjoy indulging in cotton candy, popcorn, fresh waffles, and pancakes, which can be found at the kiosks behind the main building. At Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Resort, rooms are decorated in bright colors and African art. Each room has a TV, minibar, and private bathroom. The hotel has more than 1,000 rooms of different categories. The rooms are very spacious and clean. Cleaning is carried out daily, and they do it qualitatively. I can only note minor shortcomings. For example, some rooms are already outdated and need repair. It would also be nice to update the plumbing and furniture. Some rooms have a bad drain in the shower, but I guarantee you will only be in the room at night. There are so many activities in the hotel during the day. You and your kids will have fun and won't want to stay in the room. There is a lot of staff on site, and most of the time everyone is very friendly and helpful. The service at the hotel is simply top-notch. The cooks, waiters, lifeguards, receptionists, maids, and animators really care about making your vacation wonderful. In the reviews, we found many words of gratitude to the hotel staff for a wonderful vacation. Especially praise the animation team for their efforts in entertaining guests and organizing various activities for both adults and children. Also praise the hotel staff responsible for the cleanliness of the pools and water slides. By the way, if you have already visited Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Neverland Hotel, please write whether you like the hotel staff and how you would rate their work on a scale of 1 to 10. Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Neverland has tons of activities. As I mentioned before, in addition to the awesome water park, the hotel has a great animation team. The animators are great at their job. There is entertainment for both adults and children. In addition to the animators, shows are created by guest artists, a fantastic group of singers and violinists, fire jugglers, ballet dancers, acrobats, and a wonderful dance group that performs modern dance shows on Egyptian themes. Daily shows and discos will thrill you, and you won't want to leave the hotel. Jungle Aqua Park Resort is a real paradise for children. For children, the hotel has a children's club, special pools, playgrounds, water slides, animation programs, light shows, and even a children's cinema. Children will definitely not be bored here. The hotel staff also organizes fairs for children. And for teenagers, there is a PlayStation in the kids club. If you are planning a family vacation and want your kids to have fun and relax, definitely consider this hotel. Friends, the Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Neverland Hotel certainly deserves your attention. It is perfect for a family vacation. The hotel is so beautiful that it resembles a little Disneyland. Everything is very clean, beautiful, and well-maintained. The water park in this hotel is one of the best in Egypt. Many guests recommend a visit to Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park, and some come back here again and again. Would you come back here again? Yes, the hotel has its drawbacks, and the main one is the lack of a beach nearby. But it's such a fun vacation here that many people completely forget about it. I definitely recommend a visit to this hotel. Friends, but the final choice is always yours, and only you decide whether to fly to Pickalbatros Jungle Aqua Park Resort or not. And while you are thinking, I recommend you to watch our videos about other hotels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new reviews. And I say goodbye to you until I see you at the new hotel.